Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh, my bra falling. Welcome back to my channel. It's BrookieMarieTV, and today I'm gonna be going over brushes that's been in the game for a while, but you know, have been too expensive for people to really buy them. And yes, I am talking about the Artis brushes, the Artis oval brushes. And the only reason why I got them is because they were a really good deal. I work at a sample sale, and a sample sale is basically every week we have a different brand or a different company come in, and you know, we sell their products for that week. We ship it back off to them, and then the next week we get a new product. Last week so happened to be Artis, also paired up with GHD, Cover FX, and Dr. Jart. Yeah, so I got me a couple brushes. First brush I got is from the Elite Collection, the Mirror Finish Oval 8 brush. And this, I believe, originally retails for $85. $85 for one brush. For one brush. This is a size Oval 8. A whole bunch of bristles in it. Like, it literally has mad bristles in it. But yeah, it's $85 for this one brush. But I got it for $16. It's the only reason why I got them, because they were such a good deal. It says the Artis oval brushes are great for application of foundation, eyeshadow, blush, concealer, finishing powder, shimmer / bronzing powder, and skincare. Then it comes with this little diagram in the back. It says the Oval 8 is slightly smaller than the Oval 10. The Oval 10 is like the big one that everyone used, but this is kind of big itself, so the Oval 10 would have, like, it just was too big for me. Blah blah blah. It's basically saying it's for application of large areas on the face. Made with cosmic fiber and animal free. Yes, animal free beauty. And then over here I also got the Elite Collection Mirror Finish in the 5-set brush. 5-set brush, and this comes with the Circle 1 brush, the Linear 1 brush, the Oval 6 brush, the Oval 4 brush, and the Oval 3 brush. And then it breaks down each brush for you. But yeah, this set cost, wait for it, $170. $170 for 5 brushes. Now y'all know I would not buy this if it wasn't at my job. And we had it for $42, I believe. $170 compared to $42. So I was like, it's a steal. I might as well just get it. I have these bomb brushes. But yeah, let me show you these. And it looks like this inside of it. So let me start with the Circle 1 brush. And then we have the Linear 1 brush. And this is the Oval 6 brush. Then the Oval 4 is the same thing. So basically, all the oval brushes are the same thing, but different sizes. The Oval 3. $170. They're wallin'. So let me do the math. 170 plus 85. $255 for 6 brushes. They are crazy. That is so much money. So if I would have bought them on retail price, it would have been almost $200 more than what I spent. I'm glad I caught this at my job. But yeah, so we're gonna go over these brushes, get into it, and see how they work. This was a long intro, but yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and let's get into it. My pony, my saddle, waiting, coming, jump on it. So I'm just gonna do my face how I would normally and regularly do my face. So I already primed my skin with you know, baby skin. So I'm gonna do what I always do and correct my redness with some green concealer. I feel like green concealer doesn't completely like cover the redness, but I guess it helps it. If that makes sense. I guess it like masks the color a little more. I don't know. Yeah. And lately I've been setting my face before foundation. I've been putting setting powder on my face. It just like tames the oils more. I'm using my Airspun powder in translucent. And I'm just gonna work it into my skin. So like I have nothing on my face. Usually I do my face, I have like my eyebrows or eyeshadow before I do my base. But I just want to show you how, you know, these brushes work. I want to give you the real tea. The tea and hot chocolate and coffee. I'm going to use the Maybelline Superstay foundation in the color 128. So what I'm going to do is just dot it on my face and then use the brush to work it in. This brush feels so soft, you don't understand. It's probably like a million bazillion gazillion hairs up in this thing. So I'm gonna take it, swirl it around. I was scared to use this at first because I was wondering if this will like just smudge all the green concealer I put on. This is low-key a workout because it's like, it's not heavy, but it's like, I don't know how to explain it, but it just blends everything out really quick from what I noticed. What I noticed so far of this brush, like if you have a pimple, like I have a pimple and it has like a little dry patch, so you could kind of see it. So I'm guessing if you have dry patches, this might mess with it. So I guess you should like heavily moisturize or oil your face before I do it. I just don't oil my face too much because, you know, I have oily skin already. So maybe around, you know, the areas that have like pimples or dry patches or whatever, I shouldn't have set it with the powder before because it probably made it more dry. But overall, this thing, it blends my foundation super quick. I used this once and I was getting ready to go to work, and usually I have like no time to do my makeup because I wake up late. Yeah, it blended it out pretty good and pretty quick. The 5 brush set, which again comes with the circle 1, a linear 1, an oval 6, an oval 4, and an oval 3 brush. And I think I'm going to use the oval 6 to highlight. So overall, this is the same like the other one. It blended everything out pretty quick. And I'm going to try and cream contour. This might go really wrong because I really don't know how to cream contour. So yeah, let's just see how this goes. Oh wait, first I'm gonna set my concealer, then I'm gonna contour. Okay? Okay. Yo. I don't think this was my color to use. Well, I tried. So now I'm gonna do what I know how to do and just bronze up my face. See, this is why I don't try to contour, because I look like orange. Well, I feel like I look orange. Yeah, let me try to fix this. I feel like I look like a hot mess. Do I look better? Because I really try to fix it. Like, I saw it was too orange. I don't know why I kept using it. Overall, the brush would have worked if I just chose the right color. So that's my fault. That's my fault. So this is how these brushes worked as a base. I feel like these brushes will work. Wait, matter of fact, let me tell you my finished thoughts. Let me get myself together because I look a mess. So yeah, my thoughts on the brushes. I like them. They work. It makes the skin look nice. It makes it look like airbrush and all that. But it has some flaws. Like, they do have some flaws. I have acne prone skin, as you can see, and if you have a dry patch or a pimple, it might make it flake up a little. I guess the easy way to solve it is just to like moisturize very well or exfoliate your skin to make sure, yeah, I didn't exfoliate before I put this on, but exfoliate your skin to make sure all the like dead skin cells is off and all the flakiness has come out. And I do believe when you put it on and use the brush, it should be good. And if not, they just need to fix that. But yeah, it gives you an overall airbrush finish. They come in multiple sizes. A huge downfall is though the price. Nobody's gonna spend that much on brushes. I mean, they're still around, so I guess people spending, you know, money on these brushes. But like, the only reason why I bought them is because they was on sale, you know what I mean? Like, I would not have been doing this video going over it and having these if it was original retail price. Like, I feel like I'm tired of brands overpricing things. I mean, they're good, they're of quality. I understand why they want, like, it must take like a lot of work to put all these bristles, because each of these brushes have like mad bristles in it. But it's like, come on, like, why you gotta be so much? Like, why? That's my opinion and on my, you know, my views on this product. And stay tuned for my next video. I promise. I always say I'm gonna end up looking better, but you know, sometimes I'll be too lazy to do my hair. So yeah. But like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Tell your friend about me, so you know, all your friends about me, so we can all be friends and, you know, party, whatever. I'm talking too much. But thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.